Hey there students, ready to dive into the world of mensuration for Class 9? Let's break down those essential formulas, making them easy peasy for you to tackle. First up, we've got surface area formulas. For a cuboid, the surface area is given by 2 times length times breadth plus breadth times height plus height times length. Easy, right? Just remember, it's all about covering every side of the box. Next, for a cube, the surface area is 6 times the edge squared. Imagine wrapping a gift in a perfect cube shape. You'll need to cover all 6 equal sides. Moving on to cylinders. The curved surface area of a cylinder is 2 times pi times radius times height. Picture the label around a can. That's the curved surface. And if you want the total surface area, it's 2 times pi times radius multiplied by radius plus height. For cones, the curved surface area is pi times radius times slant height. Remember, slant height is the diagonal side from base to top. Use the formula L equals square root of r squared plus h squared for that. And for the total surface area, it's pi times radius times slant height plus radius. Now, on to spheres and hemispheres. The surface area of a sphere is 4 times pi times radius squared. Simple. For a hemisphere, the curved surface area is 2 times pi times radius squared, and the total surface area, 3 times pi times radius squared. Picture an orange cut in half. You've got the outside and 1 flat circle to cover. Now let's talk volume formulas. For a cuboid, it's length times breadth times height. Think of filling up a box with small cubes. For a cube, it's the edge cubed. Simple math, every side's the same. Cylinders come next. The volume is pi times radius squared times height. Imagine filling a can with liquid. That's the space inside. For cones, the volume is 1/3 pi times radius squared times height. Picture a party hat. It's 1/3 of a cylinder. Spheres, their volume is 4/3 pi times radius cubed. Easy as pie, or should I say easy as pie. Lastly, hemispheres. The volume is 2/3 pi times radius cubed. Just half a sphere, so the formula's adjusted. Got it? These formulas are your toolkit for conquering mensuration problems. Want some examples or solve problems to practice? Drop a comment below and let me know. Remember, practice makes perfect. So get those pens and papers out and start mastering these formulas. Thanks for watching and happy studying.